I so self-important? Said I'd see you soon, but that was maybe a year ago. Didn't know time was of the essence. So many questions, but I'm talking to myself. I know that you can't hear me anymore, not anymore. So much to tell you, and most of all goodbye, but I know that you can't hear me anymore. It's so loud inside my head, with words that I should have said.
Alright, I just want to go sledding. You guys are mean.
In my regrets, I can't take back the words I never said. I never said. I can't take back the words I never said. Always talking shit, took your advice and did the opposite. Just being young and stupid. Oh, I haven't been all that you could have hoped for, but if you'd held on a little longer, you'd have had more reasons to be proud.